Hello, welcome to iTechnolabs, where we turn your app dreams into reality. Ever wondered about the cost to build an app? We've got you covered with most used mobile applications like food delivery, healthcare, taxi, and shopping app. For food delivery apps, your investment could range from $30,000 to $120,000. Healthcare apps, tailored to your needs, typically fall between $35,000 and $190,000. Need a taxi app? You're looking at an investment between $30,000 and $50,000. And for your shopping app, budgets can vary from $10,000 to $30,000. These are rough estimates. The actual cost depends on the unique functionalities your app demands. Our team at iTechnolabs ensures top-notch quality, functionality, and aesthetics, all tailored to fit your budget and vision. So, whether you're dreaming of a food delivery, healthcare, taxi, or shopping app, iTechnolabs, a leading mobile app development company, is here to make it happen. Let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching.